this is the owner of the bike. Here's the title. And the actual police report of it being stolen. And it is a 5-hour drive away. It made it damn near across the whole state of Pennsylvania. The person that posted the Craigslist ad actually responded back to the text. The text that we sent him was, still have the YZ450F? Response back at 7:54. Yes. So this may look promising on getting that bike back. Well, we successfully met, have an arrangement for a meetup to get this bike back. And here's the messages. The guy's in contact with us saying that he has the bike. And he was kind of curious about my area code for my number, which is because it's like 4 hours, 5 hours away. And he was wondering where we were coming from, and I told him Harrisburg. So, looks like we may be getting this back. Okay, we're here at our location. The city was a 5-hour drive, and we got the time set for 1 o'clock, and it's only, what time is it?
11:28.
11:28, so we got a little bit of time to kill here. So we're at this gas station, and we're gonna go in and go get something to eat, and hopefully everything turns out right, and we get this damn thing. How are you feeling about it, Craig?
Anxious. Really anxious.
Well, there you have it. Hopefully we get this thing back. Well, turned out it is his bike, and it's right there. Then checked out, got his bike back.
Dude, but when I said title,
We got it back. As you can see, recovered.
and he was
Say
a
it.
nice guy. Yeah,
Say
I got
it.
it. I got
Recovered.
my bike. Recovered.
Recovered.
At least he was a cool guy. He was nice.
You know what? Let's not sit here. Let's roll, dude. We got it. Let's go.
Alright.
But how's that going to reflect, though, since you reported it stolen, and it's still considered reported stolen?
No, he was on the phone with East Palestine PD saying he gave my bike back to me. He gave them his name and everything.
You did?
Yeah. He was like Perlman, something Perlman. And
okay.
he was on the phone with the East Palestine PD. He's like checking to make sure. He actually, I think he got the officer, the investigating officer, on the phone. Holy shit, man. I was nervous, but I don't think he could tell. And I just looked at him like, where's the drain bolt? I'm like, really interested in it. And then like, I was like, is this title? He goes, no, I got a bill of sale. I was like, is it clean VIN? He goes, yeah, it's right here. You can run it if you want. I looked at it, I read it off. I'm like, dude, I stepped back. I'm like, I got bad news, man. He's like, what? I was like, I have the title on this bike. This is my bike. And then he stepped forward at me and he goes, what? I was like, it's my bike. It was stolen from me last year. And he goes, you got any proof, you know? And I pulled out the fucking police report. And then
Gotcha, bitch. Nothing better than that feeling of recovering a bike a year later.
what was that town he said he traded the guy from?
I can't even remember. Can't even remember.
I never. It's about a 600-mile round trip.
This bike out of the past year has probably hopped through so many hands to end up this far away from where